Liz Reflections. So I remember I made a video the other day, yesterday, the day before, with me harvesting some sweet potatoes out of my green grow bags. So I'm coming back today. I'm finna harvest these potatoes. Let's see what's in here. It's been raining, so I know it's wet. Them getting ate up, growing back, ate up, growing back. So we just finna see what's in there. It's been like 4.5 months now. Pull these tops up, see what come with it. We got nothing but a little small one. Not that one. Looks like something broke off in there. Pull this one up. Got something up in that soil right there. Yeah, I see one right here. One right there. That's alright. That'll be all that's in there. And then a little small one in there. And these are the Beauregard sweet potatoes. Oh, some way down there. Okay then, another one growing in there. Something broke. Oh. They were trying to grow through the bottom of my grow bag. Dig over here. I'm gonna get out of here right now. Go to the next one. I want to pull some of this soil out. I think it's some at the bottom. go. Oh, yeah, I think that. That's something right there. They're way bigger than last season, I can tell you that. They heal over. See, it's great right there, but it'll heal over during the curing process. See, there's one down here, I feel it. They pull this one out. And there's some more I seen in there, but there go some more how they coming out. See pretty much the size. Keep all them little nuggets, all that's edible. Even the little orange stringy roots, they still edible too. They say you can make like a candy, whatever out of that, like a little candy yam, not yam, but something to snack on out of the little roots. That's skinny. Gotta dig up in there. So they wouldn't have been getting, they wouldn't have been getting ate down by them rabbits. They would have been bigger. Would have been more coming in. It would have been more in here right now, rather. Yeah, it would have been a whole lot more. That more time to grow. They was growing through each other. I'm trying not to break them up too bad. We got a good little 3-4 meals of potatoes once they cure. These things were growing, y'all, and just in this confined spot, I want to see what's in them wood chips back there. time now. But they were saying every time you feel something hard, you swear it's sweet potato.
Yeah.
And they're pulling up all type of rocks and sticks.
So you may want to check underneath it, make sure what's going underneath it.
That's the thing. I would have to. Ain't that bust through the roots? Look like they were trying to down here. They growing through each side. Like, that's the fabric. Y'all see how the carrots doing right here? Got about 9, 10 of them right there. Yeah. You know, for the most part, sweet potatoes like to grow on the top surface, depending on what you're growing them in or whatever. But rear guards will go deep on you. They utilize every bit of the soil. If it's loose soil, they'll utilize it all the way through. Let me check this down some more.
Hey, look at what came out.
I came out of there. Yeah, what came out of there, y'all? My batter. Put that there somewhere. Oh, wrong.
You can throw the bag. That's why I say, don't be surprised you got one day laying on that plastic.
Yeah, could be true. I'm really happy though, cause last season they wasn't near like majority like that one size. They pretty good right there. I'm just going down trying to see what's all snuck down now. Might be it, reflection. Y'all leave that slipping there. That motherfucker gonna grow by it and that's it. I know it is. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna go to this backyard reflections. I'm gonna go ahead and move them too. They've been back there longer than these. So until the next go round, you already know what it is. Oh, I'll never like stopping. Look at that. Stop the motherfucker. Mink. Bye-bye.